Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'll be making a straight or pencil skirt with a front zipper. So this is the skirt when I'm done sewing. This is how it looks like. But before we go into the process of making this skirt, please subscribe to my channel. Please like the video, share it, and feel free to comment. Thank you. Now this is my fabric. I already cut it into my desired length and fold it in two. I am now marking the dot line, which is 4, and the hip line, which is 8. I'll open my fabric now and do the same markings on the other half side. The width of my dot line is 8 from the middle. I'm taking 4 for each side. This is how to mark the skirt dart. This is the front of the skirt. I cut it into 2 pieces. I am placing the back on it to mark the zip line. And I'm using my ruler to make sure it is straight. I'll do the same marking on the other half side. Open it up and this is how it looks like. So just in case, this is the back where I took the dart line. Then the front is just the zip line with no dart. Now these are the waistband for the front, 2 inches wide. And also the back. I'll be sewing the dart and the waistband. This is it after sewing. Now placing the front and placing the band on each of them, I will sew through this line. This is the line I just sewed through. So I'll be sewing the zip now. This is how to place the material on it. Done sewing the zip, I'll place them together now and take the measurements. And I'll be starting with the front because it is where the zip line is. Firstly, I'm marking the hip line for both sides. To take the front measurement, I divided everything by 4. My waist size, which is 8. Then the hip size, 9.5. So at the down, I'll be taking 8.5. Sew through the line. Now for the back measurement, I divided by 2. The hip is 19. The waist size is 16. Then at the down, I'm taking 17. Sew through the line. Now I'm done sewing the sides. I will fold it down now, and this is it. I'm done making the skirt. So this is how it looks. Please support me by sharing this video. Also like it, share it, and feel free to comment. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.